Bitcoin just broke a new all-time high. But the real question is this the top? Or is the real pump just beginning? Let's break it down using the data smart money is watching. Hi everyone, my name is Lamia. Today we are diving into the real signal behind Bitcoin's next move. We'll explore whale accumulation, long-term versus short-term holders, macro triggers, and the growing theory of Bitcoin supercycle. So hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Now let's hit it. First, let's talk about whale wallets, those holding over 1000 BTC. Historically, they sell before the top. In 2013, 2017, 2021, whales exited before retail FOMO. But right now, they are not selling. They are still buying quietly, strategically. That's not what you'd expect if the bull market were over. If the people moving hundreds of millions in BTC are still accumulating, that's a powerful signal. Now, let's look at who's actually holding Bitcoin right now. We use on-chain data to measure long-term versus short-term holders. Long-term holders, called the smart money, are typically early, patient, and profitable. Short-term holders usually rush in during hype and exit in panic. Every bull market top had a spike in short-term holders. And right now, long-term holders are still dominating. That tells us there's still room to grow. Let's bring in one of the most reliable indicators, monthly RSI. Forget the daily noise. Zoom out. Historically, Bitcoin only tops when monthly RSI is overbought. In 2013, 2017, and 2021, overbought RSI equal market top. Now, we're not even close. Historically, it takes 250 days to 300 days to hit the cycle peak after breaking all-time high. So if we follow that pattern, we may still have 2 to 3 months to run. Now let's zoom out further to the macro level. The Fed's interest rates are peaking, and every time this happens, recession follows. Then comes the liquidity wave. That's when central bank cut rates, print money, and flood the system with cash. And what thrives in liquidity? Bitcoin. Bitcoin was literally created for this. Fiat debasement, central bank manipulation, decentralized value. So yes, a crash is coming, but not for Bitcoin. It's the fiat that's on the chopping block. Bitcoin may thrive in the chaos. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Some top traders like James Wynn, the sniper for Hyperliquid, shared this back in March. His pinned post mapped the market like this: April to July, belief to euphoria; August, complacency; September to November, panic to capitulation. But here's the twist: we may not just be repeating history, we might be breaking it. This macro step is different. AI and crypto are conversion. Institutions are just getting started. Debt is exploding. Retail isn't even back yet. This could be more than a cycle. This could be a super cycle, a breakout from Bitcoin's 15 years resistance channel, straight to 6-figure or beyond. So what I'm doing? I'm not here to FOMO. I'm not selling early. I'm staying focused, accumulating strong assets, building conviction, ignoring noise, and preparing for what's coming. Because here's the truth: Bitcoin rewards the patient. If you zoom out, block the noise, and follow the smart money, this might be the greatest opportunity of our lifetime. If this video gave you clarity or confidence, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm share this message. Subscribe for more high signal crypto content and drop a comment. Do you think we are in a super cycle, or is this just the beginning of the final leg up? Thanks for watching. I'm Lamia, and I'll see you in the next one.